What's up YouTube? I'm Marcel, welcome to my hub. The aim of this channel is to give you true honest knowledge based on my own personal experience. I have no course to sell you or membership to sign you up to. Today I'll be talking you through the steps of setting you up for dropshipping on Amazon via Shopify using AliExpress as a supplier. Using the FBM method, which stands for Fulfilled by Merchant, this is the option you want to use for dropshipping. Okay, so let's jump in. You need professional Amazon seller account, Shopify seller account, just basic plan, and AliExpress account, which is free. You can see the prices on the screen. The product link should look something like this. Okay, so now that you know what you need, next you need to identify what products you want to resell from AliExpress. I will not be covering product research in this video. There's plenty of videos out there already, but if you need any extra help, click on the link in the description and this will take you to my blog, which explains product research in more detail. So once you've done your product research, you need to find the products you want to sell from AliExpress website and copy the product link. You will need to paste this link to your Shopify account in the next steps. Okay, so by now you should have Shopify, AliExpress and Amazon accounts all set up. Next, I'll be talking you through the steps of linking your accounts as well as pushing your AliExpress products onto your Amazon account. So we'll start with step number 1, which is Shopify and AliExpress initial setup. We go into Shopify, go to apps, download and set up DSs, connect it to your AliExpress account, and download and set up Marketplace Connect and connect that to your Amazon seller account. Next, you go to DSs, that's within your applications, Supplier Optimizer, and paste in your product link from AliExpress and import the product. Next, go to Import List and amend all relevant product details such as photos, save the ones you want to use from Amazon setup, add your description, add which variants you want to sell, including your selling price. You can also check the shipping costs for the countries you want to ship to, but do not push your product to your Shopify store yet at this stage. Okay, next, go to Settings, Supplier Setting, Order, and here you want to add message to your AliExpress supplier to ensure that they don't include any AliExpress branding or any promotion labels. So you could add wording such as, please only use plain packaging, no AliExpress logos or branding, do not include any promotional offers or labels, please only use my company name, which in my case is Marcel's Hub, on the label if possible. Thank you. Okay, so next we'll be setting up your product on Amazon. Log into your Amazon Seller Central. You want to check your shipping timeframes are correct, so go into Settings, Shipping Settings, and just amend it accordingly. Okay, so next to add your product, you go to Catalog, Add Products, and select Blank Form. And here you'll fill out all the relevant details. Now, keep in mind, since you are reselling from AliExpress, you won't have brand name or product ID. Therefore, it's very important for you to select options which state this product does not have a brand name and I don't have a product ID. Now, these are very important because these helps Amazon generate an ASIN number for you. Now, these help you link your products between Amazon and AliExpress via Shopify. Okay, next is the final step, which is the Shopify finalizing. Log into Shopify, go into DSS, in Import List, select your finished product, push to store. This pushes the product to Shopify and can also push to your Shopify store if you choose to use one. Next step is in Shopify, go to Products, finalize your products and make sure to add ASIN number, which was generated when you created your product on Amazon. Next step, go to Marketplace Connect, link listings. You should see the matching product against your Amazon account and you can now link it. Okay, well done, you're all set up. So just before you go on to your new venture of dropshipping, I've just got some final knowledge nuggets for you. So other than your monthly subscription costs of Amazon and Shopify accounts, it's a very good practice in general to keep a few £100 or a few $100 spare in your account. Think about it this way, once you start selling a few items on Amazon, which I hope you do really soon, I hope you become popular, I wish you all the best, you will find that once people purchase your items, it can take Amazon some time to actually process those payments. So what that means is you're going to have to purchase that item on AliExpress using your own funding before Amazon actually processes that purchase for you and you receive the funding from the customer. And also in other cases, if for whatever reason you get returns or if clients dissatisfied, it's just a good practice to have some spare money aside. You shouldn't need too much, but I wouldn't be going into this thinking you need zero, because you always need something to back you up. Also, I would definitely recommend to do a test order yourself. So you could just place an order on Amazon. You want to just check that the ordering system goes through fine, and also you want to check that the AliExpress supplier is actually keeping to the times that they advertise. Make sure that the shipping times are correct, and check for any delays. I would also always recommend to actually check the physical product yourself, just to make sure the items you look to sell are of good quality. It just saves you a lot of hassle in the long run. Make sure people don't come back to your complaints. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel if possible. I'll look to provide you true and genuine content. And if there's any other YouTube creators out there who are just starting out, feel free to leave a comment. I'll check out your content and I'll happily like and subscribe back. I think let's support each other. Good luck everyone, and I wish you all the best.